Hello, I'm Matt Reeves, Special Collections Librarian with the Missouri Valley Room at the Kansas City Public Library. This short tutorial video will show you how to search and browse KCHistoryorg from home. Once you're at KCHistoryorg, you can browse our collection several ways. First, you can scroll down to the most recent This Week in KC History or Kansas City FAQ and click into those. You can also go to the Home tab, and when you hover over the Home tab, you have the option to go to the root menus for any of those types. So you can go to the local history blog menu and see our most recent postings here and more blog posts over here to the right. If you'd like to browse the actual collections themselves, go to the Digital Collections tab, click on it, and it will pull up a list of our digital collections. One of the collections that we're most excited about sharing with the Kansas City community is our collection of digitized yearbooks. So I'll click into that. You can use the drop-down menu to select the school that you're interested in, or you can scroll through the schools, and when you find that yearbook that you're interested in looking at, you can click on the yearbook and it'll bring up a digital viewer. By grabbing the scrolling bar inside the window, you'll be able to move through the pages. Searching KCHistory.org is the fastest way to find the information that you're after, but it will also return results that are not accessible online. For instance, the search for Roanoke Park. We see here in the results that it returns 117 objects. The search results are here on the right-hand side, and then the descriptions that allow you to refine the search through facets are here on the left-hand side. As a general rule of thumb, any material that has a green clip art icon in the thumbnail section is not accessible online, whereas any material that has an image or illustration is accessible online. You can access the material by clicking on the thumbnail, which will load an object viewer and show you information about the material, including its title, the creator, and other metadata connected to the object. If you know right away that you're only interested in images and materials that can be accessed online, you can use this drop-down menu to the left of the search to click on Images and then Search, and that will return only image materials. So, for Roanoke Park, limited to images, there are 15 objects instead of 117. For more information, contact us at lhistory@kclibrary.org. The Missouri Valley Room and KCHistory.org, where history is just one click away.